Today topic is function of management. Regardless of size, nature and type of organization, all the manager have to perform mainly 5 functions of management. First, planning. Planning is the primary function of management. Planning always the first function performed by every manager. Planning refers to deciding in advance what to do, how to do, whom to do, and who is going to do it. In the plan, we are just taking decision about that process by which we are trying to achieve the target which is decided by the organization. In the plan, we are taking decision about where we are standing today and where we want to reach. Every manager try to make the plan by which they are easily achieve his target. Okay, next, organization. After setting the plan, next function of every manager is organizing. In the organizing, they are trying to set or organize the structure to execute the set of plan. They are just setting the different structure. They are taking decision about the different department, about the different postage. They are making some framework. Next is staffing. After the organizing, next function of manager is staffing. In this staffing, every manager is to recruit, select and appoint the employee for doing the work. In this function, they are trying to select the different person for different post. In this function, they are taking decision about the person, about his salary, about his performance, all the process relate with selection of that person. Next, directing. Directing. After the appointment of employee, manager fourth function will start, that call directing. By the directing, manager try to direct the person or employee to his work and try to communicate him, motivate him, and by the directing, by the instruction, they are trying to motivate that person for work. Next, controlling. In the controlling, the manager try to measure difference between the plan and actual performance. In the controlling, manager try to control the work of employee and motivate him to minimize the difference between actual performance and set of plan. In this function, manager work with the employee and try to controlling him for best performance. After this, next topic is force of management function at different level. At the top level, manager try to forcing on planning and organizing. Next, in middle level, they are trying to forcing on staffing. At lower level, they are trying to forcing on directing and organizing. Okay, I would like to repeat again all function of management. There is mainly 5 function of management. First is planning. Planning is the primary function of management. After the planning, next is organizing. In the organizing, manager will make some structure for performing of that plan. After the organizing, next is staffing. In the staffing, manager recruit, select and appoint the person for the work. After the staffing, next is directing. After the appointment of person, manager giving the direction, giving the set of command to the all employee for work, motivate him, communicate him. After the directing, next and last is controlling. In the controlling function, manager try to minimize the difference between actual performance and set of plan. Okay, thank you.